your bed. Baby dog is in Mia's bed. A little laugh. Do you want to show baby dog? Rabbit. Baby dog, look. You show baby dog Rabbit. Oh. Getting kisses. Lots of kisses. Baby dog's giving lots of kisses to Amelia.
Hide under your blanket. Hide under your blanket.
Do you want to play peekaboo again with him?
Dog.
Dog's got your Dog's got all your teddies.
Teddy.
Oh, stop. That's adorable. Look, he's got blankie. Night night, Mia. Night night, puppy. Night night. Oh.
Oh no, he's awake.
Wakey, wakey, puppy. I think he prefers this a little bit better.
Wake up. Say, wake up.
Wake up.
Can you show me where little baby dog's nose is? Where's baby dog's nose? And where's baby dog's ears? Can you show me his ear? Where's his ear? Show me. Oh, baby dog's awake. Baby dog, wakey, wakey. Woo. I think you love these wake up calls.
Oh, dog. Oh, dog.
Dog's not stuck. I know you get stuck in there, but dog's not stuck. Don't do it intentionally. She always gets her foot stuck in there and you have to come in. She goes, Mama, stuck. And it's a way of getting us to come in. She intentionally wedges her foot in the crib. Yeah, you do, don't you? I can see by that face that you do it intentionally.
Dog.
Yeah.
Ella's gonna get in.
We're gonna go. Should we go to the park? Come on then. Let's go to the park.
Let's hug him.
Ella, come into the park? Or just Mama and Mia to the park?
I'm on phone.
Ella's got Mama's phone, yeah, because she's filming. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Oh, Puppy's coming to the park. Hello.
Look.
Come on in, Puppy.